हेलो नमस्कार। खुश रहो बच्चों। आई एम जेबीएम डॉक्टर शाहनवाज आलम, असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर of Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. Today we discuss about most important concept of Indian economy. Today's topic is role of public sector in an Indian economy. In India, a public sector company is that company in which the union government or state government or any territory government owns a share of 51% or more. Currently, there are just three sectors left reserved only for government, railway, atomic energy, and explosive materials. Private sector players are not allowed to operate in this sector because the independent of India, there were only few public sector company in the country. This includes Indian Railway, the ports, the Post and Telegraph, All India Radio, and the Audience, Audience Factory are one of the major example of the country public sector enterprises. However, post Indian independence, some policies for the development of the socio-economic status of the country were planned out by the visionary leader, where the public sector were used as tools for self-reliance growth of national economy. This was the reason that the second five-year plan of the India was slowly based on the development of the different industries. Till 90s, major sector of economy were reserved only for the government. The cause of great loss of our precious natural resources and whole country trapped into the great economic problem. Objective of public sector to promote rapid economic development through the creation of expansion of infrastructure. Next, to generate financial resources for development, to promote the redistribution of income and wealth, to create employment opportunity, to promote balanced regional growth, to encourage the development of small industries, accelerate accelerate the export of promotion and important substitution. Role of public sector in the development of the country. Public sector and capital formation. The role of public sector in collecting, saving, and investment them during the planning era has been very important. During the first and second five-year plan, it was 54% of total investment, which was declined 24.6% in 2010 or 11. Employment generations. Next, role of the role of public sector in development in the country is employment generation. Employment public sector has created millions of jobs to tackle unemployment of problem in the country. The number of persons employed employed almost 150 lakh in 2011. Public sector also contribute a lot towards the improvement of working of living and condition of worker by surviving the model of employment. Next role is balanced regional development. Public sector undertaking has have located their plan in backward backward parts of the country. These area lacked basic industries and civic facilities like the electricity, water supply, township, and manpower. Public enterprises have developed these facilities, thereby bringing about the complete transformation in socio-economic life of the people in these regions. Steel plants of Bhilai, Rourkela, Durgapur fertilizer factory in Sindri are the few examples of development of backward region by the public sectors. Next role is contribution to public exchequer apart from generations. Next rule is export promotion and foreign exchange earning. Some public enterprises have done much to promote India's export. The State Training Corporation (STC), the Mineral and Metal Training Corporation (MMTC), Hindustan Steel Limited, the Bharat Electronics Limited, the Hindustan Machine Tools etc. have done very well in export promotion. Import substitution. Some public sector enterprises were started specifically to produce goods which were formerly imported and thus to save foreign exchange. The Hindustan Antibiotics Limited, the Indian Drugs Pharmaceutical Limited, the Oil and Natural Gas Corporation ONGC, the Indian Oil Corporation Limited, the Bharat Electronic Limited have served the foreign exchange by way the imports of such promotion of research and development. As the most of the public enterprises are based in high technology and heavy industry, they have undertaken research and development program in a big way. Public sector has laid a strong a wide base of self-reliance in the field of technical know-how and maintenance and questions of subsequent industrial plants, machinery and equipment in the country. Expenditure on research and development reduce the cost of production. Problem of public sector in India. First problem is poor policy making its execution. Over staffing. Next problem is wastage of resources or underutilization of resources. Next is high operating cost. And next problem of public sector is lack of motivation for self-improvement. Next is lack of proper price policy. Thank you. In next lecture, we will discuss about privatization process. Thank you.